Welcome to iRevise, total revision application for the iPod and iPhone. We launch it here in the simulator. There are 5 sections. The information section will tell you about revision in general, how to use the timetable, the notebooks, prompt and quiz cards, and the audio recording section. But iRevise is really easy to use. If you want to timetable your revision sessions, you simply add a new session. So if I do one here in biology and try and spell it right, we may decide to do this one at school, and we may do it in a specific room. Having done that, we can say when we're going to do that revision period. Let's do it next Friday, and we'll do it in the morning, and we'll do it say 10:45 in the morning, and we'll be doing it for maybe just an hour. We want to put in some specific notes of what we need to do, whatever the points are that you want to say, and then just click done. So this will turn up obviously in the month. Next week will be there. That's the biology we've just inserted, and all the dates that have got a revision period are shown with these little dots. We can have a whole list of the periods of revision that we're going to make. Then we can think about using the other 4 sections. This has got 2 sections in it. So first of all, let's have a look at the notebooks. Once you've filled up 4 notebooks, these arrows will allow you to create more of them with another screen, so unlimited notebooks are available. This is what the notebook looks like if I click on it. So here's what I'm doing for biology. Each notebook has got 6 pages in it, and you can cut and paste your text as much as you like. And of course you can do this from other sources like Wikipedia, and you can add graphics. In the case of the simulator, we haven't got any graphics available, so I've just created a graphic here to show you that we can insert graphics as we like within our notebook, and we can also highlight important words. If we want to blank out other words for revision purposes to test our memory, we can do so, and then to test if we're right, we can double click and reveal the text again. Manipulating the text is really easy. You can select it, we can copy it. As I said, we can paste it from other sources as it is, and then carry on with our highlighting, whatever else we want to do. We've got 3 different colors of highlighter. Creating the notebook is as easy as double clicking on it, naming the book, choosing a color for it, and then we've created another notebook with 6 of its own pages. Back on the main screen, the prompt and quiz cards. We have 2 lines of these, prompts at the top, quiz at the bottom. Again, just like the notebooks, there are an unlimited number of these, but what's interesting about them is that we go into this prompt card section here, we have up to 15 points that we can enter to create a prompt card. And the way it works is you just literally click where you want to enter your text. You can have up to 2 lines on each point, and then when you want to test yourself, you click play and then try and remember what that point was. As easy as that. If you decide you want a second card within the biology prompt card box, hit this arrow here, and you'll see that I have actually already created a second card. So let's click again, and now we can create a third card. So this would be the third card in the biology box, and you can have unlimited cards and unlimited boxes. If we now go back to the quiz cards, we have a very similar interface, but the difference is that when we hit play, we can now hit the point and get the answer that we put in. And to do that, all we do is we type in a question, and then we turn the card over to put in the answer. And to try it out, we just ask ourselves a question and put the answer there. In addition to that, we can actually email separate sides. So if I choose the questions side and hit email, we can email that to a friend. When we're ready, we can turn the card over and email them the answers. And the same as the prompt cards, we can create as many quiz cards in a box as we like, and unlimited boxes. The last section is the audio section. So we can literally double click and name something. So if I'm doing Russian, I name it, select that audio recording, hit record, and we just start recording the oral that we want to learn. When we're finished, we just hit record for a second time and click play to play it back. And that's how easy it is to use iRevise.